Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here, and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video will discuss about Camarilla pivot levels. So how to create a Camarilla pivot points on charting. So already we created all the levels up to H6 and L6. In yesterday's video, we are discussing about H6 scanner, that is what the resistance 6, which we find out by using our charting scanner. And today's video, we are going to find out that L6, and we are just going to create all the levels of that particular Camarilla. So then we can use for a Camarilla trading strategy, how we can use that trading strategy by using this levels with charting, that we are going to discuss here. So already we discussed about a H6 scanner. So that is what a resistance 6 that we created on our charting scanner. And already H6 is about a resistance and support L6. We created L5 and L6 also. And we're going to discuss what is that, how to use in charting. And already we created that one. So formula for H6 already we discussed is about H5 plus 1.168 multiplied by Hy minus H4. This is what a formula for H6. Without creating a H6, we can't create a L6. Why? Because of we are deriving that L6 level with H6 value. Okay. So after getting this value, so we are going to create L6. That is what this level, after completing this level, we can derive this level. Okay, without this level can't be possible. So that is the reason the first level is very important on S6. After creating a S6, we can create a L6. That is nothing but resistance 6 and support 6. Okay, so this L6 scanner formula. So close price, the previous day close, minus H6 minus close. This is what a formula. So H6 formula is entirely different, and L6 formula is also be entirely different. So L6 is nothing about the closing price minus H6. So we have to call this H6 and along with the negative values, then we will be getting that particular L6 level. So the L6 Camarilla scanner, we simply we use S6 along by help of S6 only we can create. So that's why we are already created our the scanner. Okay, so let me show you that the particular dashboard. So already we have created a Camarilla dashboard. We find out all the stocks list here. Okay, whatever the stock which is here. So we updated H1, that means L1, L2, L3, L4, L5 and L6. And H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So all 6 supports and 6 resistance levels based on the Camarilla we have derived. Okay, so after deriving this, we can create any custom indicator based on this, because the first of all, this Camarilla levels is not available on charting scanner. Okay, so we need to create that scanner in manual way. So how to create? So we need to apply that formula. So we can create that scanner into our charting. Then we can use it for our trading strategy. So simply we can find out. Okay, so let me try. For already we discussed MRF S6 level or Bank Nifty S6 level for support 3. Today is nothing about 45,232 is the today's S6 level. So let me add a Bank Nifty, whether it's right or wrong. Already we checked it. Bank Nifty Bank. Yeah. So 45,232. So what is the level? 232.32. Here 232.30. So maybe the charts may be some different, but it is about a point difference on 30 and 32. So 45,000, and same like that H6 and Bank Nifty is about 47,141. So 46,141. So whatever the level which we are deriving in this Camarilla scanner, so it is exactly matching with our chart. So our scanner is, or our custom indicator is working. So now we can create n number of scanners with this strategy. So that I am going to update one by one, step by step in my YouTube channel. And still, if you are not subscribing the channel, If you are using a Camarilla, just subscribe the channel. This channel will help you. So a lot of video is going to come about a Camarilla strategy. Okay, so you can see the many things which we can do. Okay, so we can find out the trend change or the movement. Look at this. Most of the time, market trading in between uh, the Camarilla R5 level. So if any point of the time R6 are broken, there is a good chances for a trend reversal. Here, in this case, here is the first time the R6 is broken on 45,300 and market went to 46,300. So almost 1,000 points within a 17th July to 25th July. So this is what bullish and bearish should also be possible. So we already created a scanner. We can easily create any scanner. So let me create a S6 breakout or breakdown scanner, Camarilla S6 breakdown scanner. Okay, so I'm going to make some futures. Okay, maybe futures it's not possible to break that level, but even we can go for. So the latest close must be less than the Camarilla ES6. Okay, support 6. So here we need to use a 1 day ago. Okay, so to get the today's value, that means yesterday's value, because we have the chart with the yesterday data. If you are using a current day, you will be getting tomorrow's value, that is levels of tomorrow. Okay, OFS, I think we got a lot of stocks, Infosys, Persistence, Dalmia, Bharat, Tech Mahindra. A lot of stocks will be less than, it should be less than Camarilla S6. Let me go for Infosys. That should be the grade one. Yeah. So it's due to that gap down. We don't get it. And look at this. If I'm using a breakout, so here is the day where I got a breakout and Camarilla H6. Okay. So here at this point, I find out H6 breakout and whatever the time frame. So if I'm going to take an entry, maybe I might pivot as a stop loss. Okay, or I can keep yes, 6 as also stop loss, but it is a huge stop loss, don't want to take that. Maybe you can find out any technical reversal point that has a stop loss, but R4 R6 S6 crossed and there is a huge move, and there is no chances for this, and it was a gap down and it went down very flat, sorry, gap down, and after that very flat. Okay, so no problem. So we are waiting for a take jump. Sorry, this one, the R6 level which got broken 2 days back. Look at this, and this is what a day where it is broken. Maybe next day, I think 115. What is the time? Here is the point, 115. I think this is not a hour stock. Okay, so we mistake. Take take Mahindra. So take Mahindra, it's about a gap down. So but previous R4 R6 breakout here, the first time breakout. So look at this the point. The first time breakout which is happening here around 1180 and 1263. So maybe we can make a lot of scanners, but here we got it that a stock which is break less than. So by using our scanners we can modify it. So for example, the 5 minutes close must be crossing below. A lot of conditions we can add it. Cross below. So it will give you what are the stocks. These are all the stocks. Maybe at the closing hours. TCS. Why it's showing you TCS? 5 minutes. 5 minutes close. 1 day ago, Camarilla S6. That's right. Crosses below, but it's showing not the right one. You can see this is what previous one. Maybe crosses above if you use ABB, lot of stock. Reliance, you will check this. If it works, we can use it. Yeah, I think in the last candle it is increasing. That R6 level, look at this. The stock is trading below R6. That we can easily find out. Already we have a S3, S4 breakdown, and finally R3. So it may be a positional trade which we can easily use for, but the simple idea is to find out first of all the scanners. That scanners will help you to create a more strategies, and in easiest way we can filter out the stock which forming a such a pattern. And after finding the stocks, that may be a good opportunity where we can go for it and the 15 minutes close, or we can use it exact time frame which is crossed the 15 minutes open. Sorry, the open is one of the scanner 15 minutes open greater than, yeah, open, and it must be close. If you use very less number of stock, only at that exact point when it is triggers. So let me save it as a test if you can find out any breakdown. Yes. So around 320 instead of 320, we can check around 125 our morning. So maybe the level on 21st July at 12 p.m. So we have a two stocks in TCS and persistence. So let me go for a TCS in 12:15 with the time. It is about exactly 12 o'clock, maybe around this point, 12 o'clock. You can see what I'm looking for. That simple open should be greater than. So here is the candle which is above R6 as well as below R6. That simply we find out. Maybe that point can be a trend reversal as well as trend change. Both should be possible at this point. So same like that you can look at the here at this point. The candle opens below, closed above that R6. Maybe a trend reversal that can be possible, and it went up to R5 level and nearing to that R4, but it was reversed back, no problem. So we can find out a trend reverse. We are not deciding the which strategy we are going to use it, but simply we are finding the stocks whether the scanners is working or not. So as per our scanner, this is what a one more scanner which we have created, that is maybe helping you to find out a reversion. At the same time, persistence, I think persistence is the system, the stock which is almost 12 o'clock. So look at here at this point, we find exact uh, reversal. That means a breakdown, and again one more breakdown here. Maybe I can keep a stop loss about to the candle high or even that level. So it depends on my idea. And one more thing, so here it's giving you such a big down. So we will easily find out many opportunities in trading by using this Camarilla pivot. And the base is about the scanners and the levels, very important. So we find out all the levels are very perfectly working, and some of them who are asking about the scanner, it's a custom indicator we need to create it on our charting. Okay, so the scanners, if I'm sharing you, it may not be work, or if you want to join my paid charting scanner group, so you can join. Or if you wish to learn about the charting, and there is a course which is available on my website, so the website link will be available in the description. You can go to that and you can join that course, and you can also learn this type of custom indicator creation, and also you can create your own scanners and screeners for your own use, or you can make use of it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or a doubt, you just ping me on the comment box. And also many subscribers who subscribe the channel, thanks for subscribing. If you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly please subscribing the channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet to you tomorrow on live session by the morning 9:10 a.m. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much.